In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create visual dashboard in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to use the built-in dashboard, tailor reports into dashboard-ready views, and if you want, connect apps for richer visual charts. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and opening your company file. Before you do anything with dashboards, make sure your data is current. Recent invoices and expenses should be entered, and your bank and credit card feeds should be synced. Accurate, up-to-date data ensures your visuals reflect what's really happening in your business. On the home or dashboard page, you'll see QuickBooks' default tiles, including profit and loss and expense breakdown, accounts receivable and payable, and your connected bank balances. These tiles are interactive, so click any card to open the underlying report and get instant detail by vendor, customer, or time period. To build a more tailored view, head to Reports and open the Standard Reports library. Choose the reports that matter most for your decisions, like profit and loss, balance sheet, sales by product or service, and expenses by vendor. Select Customize on each report. Set the date range you care about, such as month to date, last month, quarter, or year to date. Apply filters like customer, class, or location to focus on the parts of your business you want to track. Adjust columns or the display style to highlight comparisons and trends you want to see quickly. When the report looks right, select Save Customization. Give it a clear name and, if helpful, add it to a group so you can keep related metrics together. These saved reports become dashboard-ready metrics because you can return to them with one click and they retain your filters and formatting. To keep them handy, access your saved items from Custom Reports. Think of this as your personalized dashboard hub, where your most important metrics live as quick access tiles. If you want more advanced visuals, open apps, choose Find Apps, and connect a dashboard tool that integrates with QuickBooks Online, such as Fathom, Spotlight Reporting, or QVinci, or Sift Analytics. Once connected, sync your QuickBooks data and use the app's templates to generate interactive charts and graphs. Within these visuals, pick chart types that best tell the story. Use bar or stack charts for income versus expenses, line charts for profit trends over time, pie charts for expense mix, and aging visuals for outstanding receivables. Most dashboards update automatically as your QuickBooks data changes. For connected apps, set a daily or weekly sync schedule and refine report filters to keep insights real-time. Finally, share your dashboard by exporting to PDF or Excel, inviting teammates with view-only access, or adding snapshots to management presentations. That's it. Your visual dashboard is ready to guide smarter decisions.